Hello, and welcome to our channel Tech Titans. In this video, you will come across the cute robots on the market for 2021. Let's find out the list of the latest and most advanced and programmable robots that will help you make an enormous impact in your lives. Our review will cover properties, supporting technologies, and everything you need to know to choose from the list. Be sure to watch until the end for complete insight. If you like our video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell. Also, don't forget to press like, and we welcome your comments.
Hi, I'm Cypher, the designer of Vortex. Vortex is a revolutionary product for children. It is a smart and responsive robot that kids can play with and program. Using the Vortex and apps, kids can play different games, learn about robotics, and even create their own. Playing with Vortex is incredibly fun and easy thanks to its unified system and intuitive app. For example, the Bumping Fight is a sumo-style party game suitable for multiple players. The computer inside Vortex has sensors to detect motions like hitting, spinning, or being still. Vortex embraces new technologies and allows users to experience them. The Fugitive is a unique game with augmented reality and motion tracking technology. Children already love playing with our Vortex prototypes, and we can't wait for kids everywhere to get their own Vortex. Vortex is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and comes with an open SDK. Anyone who wants to develop a game for Vortex is empowered to do so because every Vortex is a dev kit. The only limit? Your imagination. Vortex's app allows kids to learn to program their robots in a fun, simple, and educational environment. By abstracting complicated actions and visualizing the process, the app teaches the basics of programming without any coding or advanced skill. Learning by doing has never been easier. Just drag, drop, and hit upload. That simple. We wanted to make a great product, and to do it, we gathered the best people from industrial design, user experience, hardware, software, and game development. For the past 2 years, Vortex has undergone countless revisions and improvements, and we know that only through this process can we create a product that won't disappoint our future inventors. Vortex is built on Arduino, an open-source hardware platform. It can see and speak by using infrared, grayscale, and sound speakers. Vortex can find its way around obstacles, detect lines, and report back to you. We've pre-installed the program and done the assembling. Vortex is fun right out of the box. Just open the app, switch it on, and start exploring. Vortex is also designed to be highly customizable with colorful parts, stickers. We've come a long way in creating Vortex, and now we need your help to make it real. Thank you.
Once in a lifetime, an innovation comes along that changes the course of mankind. A modern marvel of science and engineering. Allow me to introduce Cosmo! Cosmo? Cosmo! Oh boy. Yes, Cosmo.
Introducing Antbo, a $59 robot anyone can adopt. Antbo is an affordable, educational, and easy-to-assemble robot. It takes less than an hour to assemble and will teach you about robotics. Antbo has 6 legs and walks just like an ant. Plus, it is also a robot. Ant plus robot equals Antbo. Designed for anyone with an inquisitive mind. Antbo is a great starting point for young inventors and for people interested in STEAM education. Even if you are not a maker, it is still a cool robot companion that you will have fun with. Once assembled, you can control Antbo by remote, by your own voice, or even by drawing lines. Antbo enhances problem-solving abilities. When you are familiar with how it works, tweak its code and make it do different things. You can also upgrade your robot with dozens of different sensor modules and program it via Arduino, Scratch, or Wendu. Antbo is intelligent. It has 30 neurons that enable it to learn to adapt just like a real creature. As time goes, it becomes smarter, faster, and more capable. Antbo also has emotional reactions to different scenarios. For example, glancing left and right when it feels inquisitive, trembling when it feels threatened, and showing affection and loyalty. Help support our project and give Antbo a home. Thank you.
Introducing Gebo, the world's first family robot. Say hi, Gebo.
Hi, Gebo.
Gebo helps everyone out throughout their day. He's the world's best cameraman.
Gebo, take the picture.
He's a hands-free helper. You can talk to him, and he'll talk to you back. He's an entertainer and educator. Through interactive applications, Gebo can teach.
Hey, where'd you go? There you are.
He's the closest thing to a real-life teleportation device. He can turn and look at whoever you want with a simple tap of your finger. And he's a platform, so his skills keep expanding. He'll be able to connect to your home.
Welcome home, Eric. You have a voice message from Ashley. Want to hear it?
Absolutely.
Hey, call me when you're home.
Better make that takeoff for two, Gebo.
We've dreamt of it for years, and now he's finally here. And he's not just an aluminum shell, nor is he just a 3-axis motor system. He's not even just a connected device. He's one of the family.
Introducing Alpha 2, the newest member of your family.
Okay, Joyce, let's move to the next pose.
Okay.
With 20 joints replicating human motion, he's as flexible as a yogi.
Good job, Joyce.
Alpha 2 is smarter than your smartphone.
Rise and shine.
And he makes a great tutor.
Alpha, what's the word for orange juice in Spanish?
Jugo de naranja.
Jugo de naranja.
Sí, muy bien.
You're cute.
No, you're cuter.
Alpha 2 is like an in-home nurse or a veterinarian.
Hey, boy.
Alan, Oliver is due for his flea medication.
Thanks, Alpha.
Alpha 2 is the perfect office assistant.
Voicemail 3.
Joyce, it's Cindy Patterson again. I just saw the cake and it only has 5 tiers instead of 7.
Alpha, call All City Cakes and print out a copy of that contract.
Okay, Joyce. Printing.
He's a weatherman.
Bye, Alpha.
Goodbye, Kate. If you're going out, there's a 75% chance of rain.
Thanks, Alpha.
And a handyman.
All right, I got the flange off. What's next, Alpha?
Step 4. Use a small screwdriver to attach the adapter flange.
Thanks, Alpha.
Alpha, let's dance.
Okay.
Alpha 2 is the humanoid robot that makes a fun friend for the whole family.
Oh, hey.
Alpha, take a picture and post to Facebook.
And with an expandable platform, his skills keep growing.
Alpha, download the Storyteller app.
Downloading Storyteller app.
Alpha, what's a star?
A star is a sphere of plasma held together by its own gravity, appearing as a fixed luminous point in the sky. Would you like to hear a bedtime story?
Yeah.
Good night, room. Good night, stars. Good night to moms and dads. Good night, light. And good night, locks. Good night, David.
Alpha 2. Make him a member of your family today.
Thank you for watching our list of cute robots on the market for 2021. These are the best and the most improbable robots for your ultimate life hack. Make sure to have a detailed look to purchase your preferred smart robots. The future is even more promising with this wonder of artificial intelligence. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Be sure to like and comment on your thoughts below.